Racing just is started. We have Panidar first to show quickness at the start. Elusive Wind is down on the inside. Perfection is Security Rose comes next. Windy Wind while Dear John is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Panidar. Perfection is down on the inside. Elusive Wind alongside third. Then comes Windy Wind. Security Rose while Dear John is still racing 6, and as they swing down the back we have Panidar by out ahead. Elusive Wind is on the outside second. Perfectionist is still in third. Then comes Windy Wind, then followed over by Security Rose while Dear John is still racing in less. Inside the dress octavo we have Panidar maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Elusive Wind in second. Perfectionist Dear John now coming closer in fourth. Windy Wind and Security Rose now racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. We have Panidar by over a length, and on the outside Elusive Wind. Perfectionist Dear John is on the outside fourth with about 150 meters more to run. Panidar, Elusive Wind is on the outside. Dear John, Elusive Wind. Dear John is on the outside. Elusive Wind. Dear John, Elusive Wind, Dear John, and finally it's close finish. Elusive Wind, Dear John, then comes Perfectionist Panidar.
Ayan, pag ganyan ang sitwasyon, we have to leave it up to Direk.